Want to learn how to set up your own fail-proof Proxmox cluster using a NAS or VPS? I wrote a complete step-by-step guide on EngineerHow.com. Link is in the description. Hit subscribe for more IT architecture
Imagine
stories.
getting a call at 3 a.m. The core server for a 50-person logistics company just died. No backups, no redundancy. Every minute. This happened to a client of mine last year. They were running their entire database on a single, aging bare metal server.
I understand the urgency, but the main array is completely unresponsive. We've lost power to the core unit and the backup generator didn't kick in.
That's when I introduced them to the 3-2-1 backup rule and migrated them to a clustered Proxmox environment.
The power surge caused critical data loss on their aging bare metal server. Without a hypervisor, the restoration was extremely challenging.
I understand the risk now.
That's when I introduced them to the 3-2-1 backup rule and migrated them to a clustered Proxmox environment.
Now, if a server dies, we don't panic. We just migrate the virtual machine to the backup node in less than 60 seconds.
We recommend bookmarking this guide from EngineerHow.com for future reference. Our goal is to make complex technical topics simple and accessible for everyone.